What are altcoins? Explained in under 2 minutes. Bitcoin might be the king of crypto, but did you know there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there? These are called altcoins, and they're changing the game. Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin was the first and remains the most popular, altcoins offer unique features and use cases. For example, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, enabling decentralized apps and NFTs. Litecoin is faster and cheaper for transactions than Bitcoin. Cardano focuses on sustainability and scalability. Altcoins can serve different purposes, like improving transaction speed, reducing fees, or enabling new technologies like DeFi, decentralized finance, and Web3. But here's the catch. Not all altcoins are created equal. Some, like Ethereum and Binance Coin, have strong use cases and communities. Others might be speculative or even scams. So, before investing in altcoins, always do your research. Look into the team, technology, and real-world applications. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. And that's altcoins in under 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto explainers, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite altcoin? Thanks for watching.